I don't know about you, but I have been trying to nail that tiny little winged eyeliner thing for years. I mean, far more years than I've had this channel. Now, part of the problem is that my lines are neither steady nor even. I mean, quite simply, I just don't have the skills. So in today's video, I am hoping that this is going to be the answer to my own prayers. It is a double-sided pen. One has a precision eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and the other has an eraser. Perfect for those people like me who just can't create that nice, steady line. So I'm going to try it with you today for the first time. It is a true Try It Tuesday video, and I'm really glad you're here. Hi guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel and you enjoy what you're watching, subscribe, join us here on YouTube, and also hit that like button so that others can find us too. So I have experimented with a lot over the years with different products, methods, and I'm not exaggerating when I say I have watched hours of tutorials here on YouTube to try to figure it out. And then there's my 21-year-old daughter who seemed to have mastered it at 17. Go figure. Well, you guys, I saw an ad on Instagram and it made me stop in my tracks. Yes, Instagram made me buy it. And funnily enough, it's actually an Irish brand that I had never heard of. They're Kash Beauty, Kash with a K, and as it turns out, they just have a ton of makeup. But I immediately went and bought the Duo Flex. It comes in two colors, both black and brown. And I just want to say a quick thank you to Kash because I want brown. Black just isn't doing it for me. I find it a little bit harsher as I'm getting older. And you would be surprised to see how hard it is to find these kind of products in brown. In fact, I did a video last year with this stamping product that actually did make it easier, but the black was just too heavy, so I never used it again. And I'd say that in 97% of my videos, I'm not wearing any eyeliner at all. I just kind of can't deal. So if I could find something to use that is super easy, it gives me the results that I want, then I'm on to a winner. And that's why I've been really excited to do this video and to give it a try. Now the tricky bit is my aging skin. At 53, I now have those hooded eyes. And then you add to that a lot of wrinkles and there's a lot to navigate here. So my understanding, and of course I could be totally wrong, is that when you go for that flick, you're trying to draw the line as an extension of your lower lash line, which is great if you have younger skin. But if I were to draw that line up, it's just not going to be pretty because as soon as you start to do this, like that line that you drew isn't going to stick around. So I know that's tricky. And I know that there's a lot there to navigate. So one of the things I am going to try to do is actually go a little bit more to the side than to go up. I know up's not going to work. And you know what? I may even use some of the wrinkle lines as my foundation of where to go. So let's see. So the theory behind this is if I muck up, the other side is going to fix it. So let's try. So this is what this bad boy looks like. It has a really, really nice tip to it. Now, I watched a few tutorials on their website and they're saying that, you know, let the device do the work. Don't try to draw the line, just kind of maybe lie it down. Let's see how this goes. So you may want to come a little closer, Gary. This is where all the sins are shared, you know, to YouTube. Okay, I'm debating if I use my, I think I'm going to go in with my 10x mirror because it's probably going to make it easier. So what I think I'm going to do is try to lie down just to try to make the wing first and then figure out what I'm going to do after that. So I am going to the side and I'm drawing a little, it's far, far too big, but you see how it dips down. See, I don't like the dipping down because it looks like I'm sad. That didn't work at all. So I'm going to go in with the other side, which is the erase side. Let's just see if I can erase the whole thing. I have no idea. Oh my gosh, you actually looks like it's erasing it without leaving anything on my skin. Okay, well that's really interesting. I'm going to try to rub off some of the eyeliner, but look at that, it's actually quite gone. Huh. Already it's better than stuff I've had before. Okay, I'm going to try this again, and I might just draw a tiny little line out. Out and up. And I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see anything. So I'm going to switch it over. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm starting to get the hang of it. So I'm going to draw, oh gosh. Carrie's like, no, you're not, dear. You're making a dog's dinner of it. Well, the good thing is the eraser actually really, really works. Okay, I'm really bad at this, and maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I need to do it backwards. Gary, I'm getting a little frustrated here. I had such high hopes. I guess it doesn't give you skill. It definitely removes it, so I'm going to say yay. I think I need more help. Anybody have help? Send help. Should I do it backwards? Oh, I've got so many wrinkles here. Like, what is going to happen here? It's not looking good, is it? It's like it's not even dispensing the color now. I'm sure if Kash ever saw this, they would be horrified. But I was hoping it was going to be easier for dummies like myself who don't know how to do makeup. Like, again, the good thing is it's erasing. All right, what if I start on the upper lash line? Is there any benefit to that? It's not really coming out. Like on my hand, it's doing these nice... Okay, well, here's the thing. It actually sticks around. When you put it on your hand, it does put nice little wispy lines, and they stay. They stay. They're not rubbing off. Why isn't it staying on my face? I don't know, man. It's not even laying down. I don't know how close up you're getting or how much you can see of this, but it actually doesn't seem to be depositing very much color. The website looked way better. Like they could just press it and there was the color. I don't know, man. Can you see that? Like there's a bit of color there, but oh my gosh, it's not much. Shoot, maybe that's what I need. But it's spotty. It's not laying down. Oh, for feck's sake. This is a bust. Now, I don't know if it's the product or if it's me, because I've made it very clear that I have no skills when it comes to makeup. So lately I've been using an eyeshadow with a brush, and that, for whatever reason, has given me a lot better results. I actually can't get this product to lie down. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you look at the website, you would be looking at me going, what is wrong with her? And maybe this is me. Gary, do you think it's me?
Don't know.
Don't know. Should I try the other eye? Well, that's going to be even harder because the other eye's over here. Like my general method is to take a teeny tiny, in fact, my daughter cut one of my very small brushes so it only has a few little hairs on the brush. And then I put that into a really quite dense liner, more like a gel. And I can just get a tiny little wisp. And I would have thought that this was going to give me that wisp. But it's not. It's not lying down. The color is not lying down. Oh my gosh, I'm so depressed. I thought this was going to be the one. Even going backwards, you can see it's just not depositing much. Going to the regular side now. Well, that actually looks fine, but up close, that's not a heavy pigmentation. Like, there's barely anything there. Which is fine. I'm not looking for the big dramatic stuff either, but in my opinion, this is not putting enough product down. Like, it's just not. We're going to show a little bit of the video from the website because they got a very different thing happening there than what's happening. My wrinkles, it just goes right inside of it. You can't even tell I have anything there. Yeah. Okay. This is a dud. This was a dud. Like, you can't even see it there, Gary, can you?
Not really.
Like, that's... Boo. Okay. Well, that's a dud, guys. That did not work. So I'm going to go ahead and just do over here with my left hand where I have absolutely even less skills than with my right. I mean, I can see a tiny bit of the brown, but, you know, this is not. I have many other products that, in my opinion, are better than this. Like, it's fine. But I won't be able to do a wing with it. Like, I definitely can see a bit of the brown now. But I think that because I have all of those wrinkles, I need something that's going to deliver more for this. I'll try it again over here. Like, it looks fine in that mirror, but when you get up close, you know, it's not great. Now, interestingly enough, I think it might have some longevity. We're certainly going to find out. I'm going to come back and try to do it over here. This side seemed to work a little bit better. But in a close-up, it's just not laying down. No. Nope. Oh, man. Carrie, do I believe everything I see on TV?
Yes.
I think everything is going to be the miracle product. I'm like, that's the one. It's going to work. It's going to work. And that just did not work. Like, this side in particular is pants. I have to do another video after this. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay. Well, the eraser works. I'm going to keep it around for the eraser, but I don't think that this works for me. It just doesn't. Ah, well. Guess you can't win them all. So I'm going to try to clean this up after this video is over, but I wanted to give it a try. I was so excited. It seems to work on some people, and maybe it's just because I have old eyes. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say, but it's not great. So the search continues. Now, if you have any advice for me, maybe I'm doing something wrong, if there's a particular technique that you think I need to know about because of my old lady face, I'd love to hear it, because I am still determined to get that little bit of a lift, just that little bit of a wing that I think is just exciting and fun, and it just gives a little bit of visual interest. And if I could figure it out, you know, if I could make it work, then I would just do a little bit of that every day and off I go. And I'd be happy with that. Some mascara and a lippy, and I'm done. So guys, that's it for today's video. It was a quick one, and you know, it wasn't a winner. They can't all be winners. Anyway, I'm going to keep on trying. So if you have any advice for me, if you have any points or tips for what a lady of a certain age can do that does have the hooded eyes and does have all the wrinkles around the eyes, then please share your knowledge, because I would really like to have that little winged eyeliner situation that I could just put on every day in just a couple of minutes, and it just adds a little bit of a lift. So please send help. So thank you so much for joining, particularly if you made it here this long, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Bye. Hours of YouTube. Let me do that again.